Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you full mobile app customization tutorial. Firstly, let's start with connecting the controller to dedicated app. Download Razer Controller app and select Add Controller. Turn on your controller and press and hold multifunctional button and microphone mute button until LED starts blinking blue. Select controller, tap start pairing. Make sure that the controller mode is set PC and wireless. Now, in the app we can change user profile. We can change button mapping, thumbstick settings like circularity, dead zone, clutch, and calibration. Next, we can manage trigger settings, trigger mode, and trigger range. D-pad settings between 4 directions and 8 directions. 8 directions allows diagonal movement. Next, we can change D-pad SOCD settings. Choose what happens when you press and hold 2 opposite directions at the same time. In the end, we can manage power saving mode. Next, we can go to settings, and here we can reset the controller, add new controller, manage customer support, feedback, about, and we can disconnect the controller. In the very end, we can check battery level. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.